Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, another video. It's the weekend. People like me here. Weekend vibe here. We're going to take a run to the supermarket.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's been so long. We've been locked down. Oh yeah. Time to link up with the crew again. You know how we roll. Link up with the crew again. Heart I love you know that we are different. Syrup with a pound and the grab a blend. Money in a pocket and the office spend. Y'all are dash out. All I wanna do is link up with my friends. You know how we party when we touch by the ends. Oh God, the G-Wagon Benz. So free me from the barriers and the fence. We've been locked down lately. Bring back the vibes, make we party. Whole damn world gone crazy. London locking. I feel like my friend them after this quarantine. Locked down lately. Bring back the vibes, make we party.
Okay guys, welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to try and fit my headband wig. Here's my headband wig. I already tried it on. I took it out of the package and I already tried it on. I'm still introduce it to her. Does she look nice? Introduce it to her. So now I'm just gonna try and put my hair back. So now I'm braiding my hair backwards, trying to get it as flat as possible. I braid my hair in 3 backwards to see if it lay flat, and now I'm trying to get on this head cap. And here I'm just trying to secure the wig cap. That was Jamoy, my second son. Okay guys, I'm gonna get my ear in the way I want it, even though this thing can slide off on my head. I was going to put on 2 stocking cap, but no, I decided to put only 1. Hello, so this is, what should I call her? This is Jessica. I bought her about a week and a half ago, or maybe not so long. She came with a headband, a black and white headband. Oui, Maya?
Je veux pas goûter ce Robin.
Mais non. Alright. So Jessica has 4 comb, 1 ear toward the side and 1 in the back. Let's try and flick on Jessica. I won't take out the plaits right now because I want to put it on my head first. I'm going to take out the plait then. Here I'm basically trying to get the wig on my head, trying to tuck in all these skin at the side. Now I'm just securing the straps in the back, fixing it right. Voila. I think I get her on tight enough. Let's take her out now. Alright people, so I'm gonna wet up the ear a little bit so we can bring it back to life. And this ear feels so soft. And now I'm gonna use some eco styler gel to kind of flame the edges a little bit. So we can hide some other part here. Oops. Qu'est-ce que tu fais en haut là?
Rien.
Yeah, I know nothing about slurring edges on people. Voilà. Mais you can help me look for my headband then.
T'as dit quoi?
My headbands.
T'as dit quoi?
Alright people, so I'm gonna find the headband. This is the headband that came with it. This is the headband that came with it, but maybe have multiple headband I did buy before. Because as y'all know, I have dreadlocks. So I buy all the headband for my ear.
Mais t'as pas tous ces enfants qui vont aller chez Robin? Tu la connais pas, Alex?
Non, non, mais Alex il va partir avec son pote là. Il va pas chez Robin.
T'as envie de laisser un enfant à la maison?
Mais c'est pas grave, mais t'es là avec ta maman, non? T'es pas perdu, ma chérie. Wow.
Oui, mais moi je voulais aller chez Robin.
Mais les parents de Robin, ils veulent pas.
Ils disent tout le temps oui.
If you want your asshole.
Donc là, je vais lui demander si c'est oui.
Mais les parents de Robin, ils veulent pas, mère.
Non, mais je lui ai toujours pas demandé.
Wow.
Donc tu dis. Moi, je vais faire
Guys, you tell me how this look.
une canne.
And this ear. So the back there.
En plus, je m'ennuie.
And this is all the back look.
Et voilà.
And we can all do like a half bun thingy. And drop down the rest. Whoop. Come on, voila. But I love the feeling of this here. It feels and looks so natural. It feels just like my baby girl's here. But I love this headband.
Rien du tout.
Wait. So it look a bit drier now, people.
Elle est dans ta main?
1, 2,
It's a bit dry.
3.
So I hope y'all enjoy this video, and please remember to like, subscribe and share, and leave us a comment and click on that notification bell to get notified each time we upload a video. So thanks for watching.
2